Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing and showing off the Otter Box USB Type-C power pack with 10,000 milliamps of power. Now this has a lot of different information. We're going to go ahead and let you pause the video so you can read about the different parts of this battery. But we're going to show you this battery. It has a limited lifetime warranty. And here's the battery itself. It comes with a USB Type-C charging cable, which we like, and the battery itself has a nice rubberized outer coating, so things, if you set on it, won't slide off. It'll actually stick to the battery. I like how thin and how light this battery is. This is 10,000 milliamps, and usually other 10,000 milliamp batteries have hard edges and they slide off of things. This will not have that problem. There's also grips all the way around the sides. Now the bottom of the battery is a little bit more smooth, but that's okay. This bump here will prevent it from sliding off the table. And it's not moving, so that's cool. Now we have on the side the charge level and the on button right here. So we'll definitely need to give this a charge because we just got it in for testing. And the different ports are covered. There's the USB Type-C port right there. This is 10,000 milliamps. And it's mil-spec, and it's also dual USB charging. So there must be another port here, and there it is. This is a USB Type-A port that's covered here. So the mil-spec comes from these port covers, which cover it completely to protect against water, dust, or other things that could cause problems with the battery. This is from Otter Box, and it's the USB Type-C 10,000 milliamp battery pack. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.